Today, I'm going to be showing you how to blend your paint by touching two shapes together. Start by painting a circle using an even wash. You'll want this paint to be pretty wet for the technique to work. Next, you'll paint another circle in a different color, making sure the circles barely touch. The color from your first circle will start to bleed into the second color. Repeat this with a few more colors and shapes. You can do this technique using totally different colors like I did with this first set, or with an analogous color scheme like I did with the second set of circles. If you try this technique, post a picture over on Instagram and use the hashtag #SnowberryChallenge. I can't wait to see what you create.